Hi everyone and welcome to my dorm tour. So I currently attend Indiana University and I was in the Briscoe dorm this year. So if you want to see what my dorm looked like, then keep on watching. Hi guys! I'm finally ready to show you guys my dorm tour, and so it's taken a while, but I think everything's finally in place, so let's just get into it. So this is what the outside of my door looks like. And I'm gonna start by just panning over the entire room. Alright, so here's the back of my door. We have a little dry erase board and our schedules. And here we have a little station with the mini fridge and our fruit bowl, box of tissues, remote control. And then moving over to my desk, I'll do a little overview of my desk. So starting at the top, I have these two boards that I got from Hobby Lobby. I just put all kinds of pictures of me and my friends in them. And then periodically, I get cute little souvenirs and stuff. So I put my ticket stubs up in here sometimes. And then this little cup I got has just some IU stuff I've gotten. And I just kind of decorate with that. A couple just, quirky little things I've gotten, like trophies and things I've painted. I have some jewelry, books, and pictures up there too. So right underneath the top shelf, I have some birthday cards and notes, pictures from home, stuff like that. And then down on the actual desk itself, I have pencils in that little caddy to the left, hand sanitizers, notepads, makeup brushes, mirror, lamp, pictures, typical desk supplies. So next is the organization of my desk. In this first drawer, I have kind of school supplies type items, pencils, whiteout, scissors, tape, note cards, like that. And in the second drawer, I have school supplies, command strips, just extras of stuff, books, things like I've used for school. And then in this bottom drawer, I have extras and some cleaning supplies, lint roller, dryer sheets, paper towels, extra razors, extra soaps and lotions, stuff like that. And lastly, in this keyboard drawer, I have some extra jewelry that I don't wear as often. The jewelry that I wear the most, I put up there in some organizers. And then I just have some extra papers here that I just put up there to get out of the way. And on my desk chair, I have the pillow that came in my bed set from TJ Maxx, and then I have my coat on the back of the chair. So next we have this corner. I'll just start by giving an overview of it. So starting at the top, I have this painting that my boyfriend painted for me. And then I just have this plastic organizer that I think I got from Walmart, and then a little box on top that I use for things that I use every day, like lotion, perfume, makeup remover, stuff like that. In these top two drawers, I have makeup. In this drawer, I have cotton swabs, cotton balls, stuff like that. The third drawer is kind of miscellaneous, some medicines, cough drops, extra ponytails. And then the last drawer is kind of a hair drawer. Today's actually the last day that we're here for Thanksgiving break, so I have some stuff packed up, but normally in here I have my straightener, my curling iron, hairbrush, anything like that. And my toiletry bag that I travel with, that's also in here. So right next to that I have my purse, and I love it, but I don't carry it a ton, but it's pretty much the only purse I have up here with me. And then over in this corner, I have the school supplies that I'm not using for the day. Here I just have my laundry hamper, and then I have my laundry detergent and some stain spray down there as well. So next we're at the closet, and I know it's not that cool, but I guess I'll just give an overview of it anyway. So it's pretty plain, but on top I have some hats and a couple of like travel bags at the back right. And then I have a laundry basket on top that has all of my t-shirts in one half of it, and then it has all of my clean towels, washcloths, hand towels, stuff like that, and an extra blanket in it as well. And then down on the actual closet, I have a little painting that I did myself. It just says Indiana University. And then at the bottom of the closet, there's a drawer. Okay, so here's the inside of my closet. Today is the last day before we go home, or for Thanksgiving break, so I have taken some of the clothes out of here. But I pretty much just have long sleeve at this point. I have a couple of short sleeve things. And then in the bottom, I have a shoe rack on the left, and it just has tennis shoes, just some slip-on shoes, one pair of sandals. There's a couple little pairs of booties at the top. And then back here, I have my boots, and then one pair of heels back there. And there is a mirror right here. And then there's a little bar here that I'm just hanging a scarf on. And then I have 3 little crossbody bags hanging on these little command hooks right here. And in this drawer down here, I just have all my undergarments, so I'm not going to show that one. Next, I'm going to give an overview of my bed and what's underneath. But there in the corner, I just have like a little tin with any kind of bags, the paper bags from like stores and stuff. I just try to keep them down there so I don't waste them. And then underneath the bed, I have 2 crates, and I have a couple shoe boxes, and then an arts and crafts box. There is some like luggage items back there too. So in this first crate, I just have sweatpants and shorts, leggings, sweatshirts, some kind of stuff like that. Just miscellaneous. And then in this pink one, I have jeans, and like I said, I'm going home, so I have some of the jeans with me too. But jeans, and I think I've finally taken home all my shorts, but any kind of pants are in there. So next we have the area where our beds are. So it looks like this. And the top is my roommate's bed. It's super cute, and I love what she did with the pictures. But underneath is my bed, and this is my favorite part of the room. As you can see, my theme's kind of like turquoise and coral. And so I got this bedspread at TJ Maxx, and then I have just a little light blue blanket draped on the end, and then my IU sweatshirt. And then up there I just have a throw pillow, the sham, my bed pillow, and then like a sit-up pillow on the back, and a little stuffed animal at the front. And then back in here, there is a little painting that I painted on the wall. It says, "Today I choose joy." And then underneath, I have some little twinkle lights just like taped up in a swirly pattern on the wall. So to the left of my bed here, I have a little white fur rug and some slippers. And then to the left here, we have what we call our pantry. So on top, I normally have a couple more things up there, but the top is my roommate's shelf, and then the bottom is my shelf. I just have some cereal, oatmeal, a can of soup, some bowls and cups, and then chips, K-cups, stuff like that. And then just moving over here a little bit to the left, I just keep my backpack there. So here's our window. We have a nice big window here. We have 2 little plants there. And then I guess I can show you guys my view out of the window. It's pretty nice. We have a bike rack down there, and then here is the view. So next we have this door right here, and it goes into the common area between ours and our Sweetmates door. And it just has a bathroom and a sink and a couch in there, but I will show you right now. And this little piece of art on the wall is from Hobby Lobby. So this is what it looks like. Just have a big couch, and then we have this window. It has pretty much the same view because it's on the same wall as the window in our room. And then this is my Sweetmates stuff. And if you just look this way, there's the sink, and then the door to the shower and toilet, and then there's this little table that we have here. We just have our Keurig And I have a couple coffee mugs and some sugar in our silverware, our microwave, and then below we have our shower caddies and then a trash can. And if you walk into the bathroom, this is what it looks like. Just a mirror. And then this is my Sweetmates sink, and then we all share the toilet, and that's my Sweetmates caddy. And then this is our shower. And these are our hooks, and normally there are towels hanging here, but like I said, no one's here, so. All right, and then if you come out here and look to the left, we have our sink. Then underneath we just have other bathroom type items. And then there's a trash can right down here.